The Flowmaster 3.5-inch angle cut exhaust tip is perfect for the 97 and newer F-150 owner who's looking for a simple but effective way to replace their current boring stock tip without investing in a full replacement exhaust system. This is a great look if you're going for an aftermarket exhaust look, but you don't want the increased volume. This tip will attach to your factory 2.5-inch tailpipe easily in minutes with the provided clamp. I'm going to be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect it to take less than 15 minutes to install. Just south of 50 bucks, this is a bolt-on tip is a great alternative to an axleback or catback system, which will cost at least $250 or more, and it'll change up the look of your rig in just a few minutes. This features the same stainless steel and quality construction you'd get from a full Flowmaster set at a fraction of the cost. And whether you have an axleback or catback, or your aging stock exhaust, this is also a great way to cover up a damaged or rusting tip instead of cutting it off or buying a whole new kit. It's also an easy solution if you're just looking to change up your current look. The tip is made from a double wall stainless steel, so it'll be a lot stronger than your old tip. The stainless will naturally resist rust and corrosion, especially important for the part of your truck that's always visible and constantly being subjected to exhaust water vapor, road salt, and dirt. This tip is polished to give it that mirror-like shine, and it comes embossed with the Flowmaster logo to complete that classic look. Switching over to the install, this is a simple clamp-style bolt-on design that I'm going to be giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can expect it to take about 15 minutes or less to complete. The only tools you'll need is a simple ratchet and socket set. You're going to unbolt the old tip or cut off the stock tip to get that out of the way. After, just slide on the Flowmaster tip to your tailpipe and tighten up the clamp-style connector. After it's tight and on, you're done. If the single exit design or the polished finish are not for you or your build, know that Flowmaster has different styles and finishes for any budget or build. That's my review on Flowmaster's 3.5-inch angle cut polished stainless steel exhaust tip. Check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.